Move it closer to its destination. This is a great little tip to help in terms of decluttering and organising. I don't know about you, but I find it difficult when things start to get cluttered and disorganised. I start to feel a little sense of anxiousness and I feel less composed and less productive. Sometimes though, what can help on our day-to-day journey through our house and our life is to return things obviously to where they came from. For example, if I haven't got time to just nip this down to the kitchen because I've got a lot of things on my plate, I'll put it at the top of the stairs. I'll move it closer to the ultimate destination, and next time I'm passing the stairs I might move it a bit closer, and then next time it might actually make it to the kitchen. That might sound like a bit of a silly example, but how often is it that we leave cups, clothes, letters, washing lying about in its original space when a concerted effort to just move it closer to its destination consistently will lead to a less cluttered feel and support you in decluttering. Make the Daily Sprout part of your daily routine. Sign up at dailysprout.net and claim your free ebook, Emergency Stress CPR, My 6 Steps to Putting Stress in Its Place.